How's it going, everyone? If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. In this video, I take I-490 from Gates to downtown Rochester, and I tell you more about the area along the way. If you're unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. Gates is home to 28,000 residents and has an average household income of $57,000 a year. 25% of adults 25 and older have at least a bachelor's degree. The public schools here are above average as well, and it's not a long drive to downtown Rochester, so it's not a bad place to settle down if you end up moving to the area. This stretch of the freeway sees over 120,000 vehicles daily, making it the second busiest freeway stretch in the Rochester area. The Rochester city limits is bounded on the west side by the Erie Canal. The Erie Canal was a huge contributor in Rochester's early success, as it was a heavily trafficked route in the 1800s, providing a water connection between the Great Lakes and the Hudson River. Rochester is home to 206,000 people today, down from a 1950s peak population of 332,000. The city hasn't seen population growth since then. It has been New York's third largest city for a long time, behind New York City and Buffalo. The larger Rochester metro area is home to 1.07 million people. You could say that the Rochester area's economy is better than that of Buffalo, as it has a higher per capita GDP. The GDP was actually higher than Buffalo's overall before 2010. A lot of people think of Kodak when they think of Rochester, New York. You know, the company that used to make disposable cameras. Kodak used to have a presence over Rochester the same way that Ford, GM, and Chrysler have over Detroit. Kodak was founded in 1888. The company, for the longest time when I was growing up, was known for making the mass levels of disposable cameras. Anyway, the company fell out of the S&P 500 in 2010, and it filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in 2012. Today, the camera company is trying to make a comeback. Along with that, Xerox used to have its company headquarters in Rochester, and it used to be in the city's tallest building. Xerox left downtown Rochester in 2018, leaving the tallest building in Rochester vacant. The Xerox headquarters are now in Norwalk, Connecticut. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. We'll see you next time. Peace.